Tai Chi Walking combines traditional Tai Chi movement practices with everyday gait mechanics. In today's video, I'm going to show you how Tai Chi Walking can transform the way you move and why it's one of the most powerful longevity practices that you can build into your life. If you're new to the channel, I'm Dr. Todd Martin, creator of both the Tai Chi Code and the Walking Code. Unlike normal walking, which often relies on momentum, leaning, and heel impact, Tai Chi walking uses waist rotation and hip-driven power to create fluid, controlled, aligned movement with minimal stress on the joints. By the end of this video, you'll be able to try Tai Chi walking yourself, even with your very next step. Tai Chi walking isn't just a different way to move, it's a smarter way to walk. When we use rotation of the waist and proper power from the hips to guide every step, it improves our alignment and our balance and reduces the stress on our joints. The first thing you're going to notice with Tai Chi walking is that you're going to build better balance because it strengthens the hip muscles and helps us to learn how to coordinate rotation of the waist with each step that we take. The next thing you're going to notice is improved alignment. Because we are not relying on gravity and momentum, we're using waist rotation, we're able to keep vertical posture the entire time. There's no momentum involved in the step. And you'll notice that in Tai Chi walking, we have a lowered stance, which allows us to really work the hips and feel the movement and feel the rotation. But the same principles apply when we walk normally. No leaning, no momentum, no relying on gravity. And when we do that properly using the Tai Chi principles, you'll notice that the placement of the heel is very fluid, smooth, and low impact, with no stress going up my knees, my hips, into my back, and into my neck. I'm relying on rotation of the core to keep everything moving. This also is going to prevent one of the most common problems, which is duck foot walking, where people walk with their feet turned out at an angle. That misaligns not only the spine, but all of the joints in your lower body. Tai Chi walking is going to show you how to move your body in alignment with the foot that is on the ground rather than having your feet turned out at an angle. This is going to have many benefits, not only for the way you move, but also so you can make your walking feel more calm and peaceful, and it's going to connect your mind and your body in a sort of walking meditation that will have benefits not only for your balance, your coordination, your strength, but also your mental wellness. And the best part, you don't need any equipment. You don't need to be an athlete. You just need to take your normal steps, but do them in the Tai Chi way.